My name is Matt Gleason, and I'm an associate software engineer at Ciholas. My area of work is firmware engineering, so like the code that runs small devices that you don't have a screen or a keyboard for. I've been working full-time at Ciholas for about a year and a half, and before that I was an intern for 2 summers and 2 winters. I got interested in Ciholas by seeing the building be built, and I was curious what was going on there. I looked up the website and it was right up my alley as far as a career. I went to Purdue University for computer science and mathematics because I was interested in those coming out of high school. And what brought me to Ciholas was that I was looking for internship opportunities in the Evansville-Newburgh area. And I found Ciholas. They were always hiring interns, always hiring full-time. So I sent in my email with my resume and a cover letter, and the rest went from there. My internship at Ciholas was valuable because I got to see what I did even as a young intern make it into the production code and see people using the features that I had implemented and kind of enjoying what I had worked so hard on over the summer. At Ciholas we have a few advancement opportunities. A lot of people start as interns like I did and move on to become full-time employees. And we also have a few different titles from associate to senior and principal engineer. A lot of my success is driven by seeing the interesting applications of what we do. I really like the preventative safety aspect of our system. A lot of people use it to, keep people out of the way of harm and, keep people safe, and what I've done has helped that, so I really like that. As a student before I applied to Ciholas, I felt like there weren't many options for me as far as internships for someone who was interested in the embedded software and firmware engineering, because a lot of those positions were designated for graduates or even master's degree students in those big tech companies. And here I had an opportunity to start doing that even as an intern, and I have loved it ever since. We are Ciholas. We fill the gap from chip to app.